Ji, Assalamu alaikum and good morning nursery class. So today is Thursday. So teacher Faiza is with you nursery class with your SST work nursery. You can see that teacher don't have the book right now. Teacher has collected different types of leaf and different types of flowers. Oh my god. You know why? Today I went to the park and I see different types of a leaf over there nursery class. Then I think why don't I collect the different leaves and will share with you nursery class. Okay? And you can also go to the park and just watch that how many different types of a leaves are there in the park. So nursery class, let's discuss one by one nursery class. You can see this is a long leaf. Can see na size? G, this is a long leaf. Now nursery class, focus on the next leaf nursery class. You can see it is of the round shape. Okay, you can see the shape nursery class. It is of the round shape. Next nursery class, move to the next leaf. You can see the curves in the leaf nursery class or spikes over here. Can you see the boys make spikes from their hair nursery class with the help of a gel? Yes, this is also the spike. So this leaf we call spiky leaf. Okay nursery class, what is the name of this leaf? This is a spiky leaf. G nursery class, now talk to the next leaf. Touch this leaf nursery class. Yes, it is of very smooth shape nursery class. Okay, you can see the edge of the leaf nursery class. It's clean and this leaf is called smooth leaf. Okay, we discuss four leaf. The long leaf, then the round leaf, then the spiky leaf, and then the smooth leaf. Okay nursery. Now teacher have collected the different flowers. In your book there are much more different kind of flower. My park does not have these flowers. So nursery class I collected for you. I don't know, this flowers is got angry with me, I think nursery. Okay, leave it to it here. So nursery class, this is the yellow color flower, and what is the name of the flower nursery class? It is sunflower. You can see the shape of the flowers. It's look like a sun, so we say it a sunflower. The sunflower color is yellow. So I move to the next flower. This is rose. I think most of us love rose nursery class. Okay, and I also collected another flower. This is a pink flower. Okay, so nursery class, for you I collected these leaves and flowers. So nursery class, I think it's time to open our book. So nursery class, oh my god, matching nursery class. Today our unit name is plants. Okay, we will discuss the animal in our next lecture. Today we will discuss about leaves and flower. Leaves, leaves, and flower, flower, flower. So kindly nursery class, open page number 2323. So nursery class, as usual, write the date on the top of the page. Today date is 2929 dash 4 dash 2121. And what we write here? Class work. Okay nursery class, come to the leaves. Yes, teacher has shown you all the four leaves nursery. You also go to the park if easy for you and collect all these four leaves nursery class. It's very easy. Okay, any garden have these types of leaves. Okay, this is a long leaf, this is a round leaf, this is a spiky leaf, and this is a smooth leaf. Okay, and what is the color of the leaf nursery class? The leaves color are green. The leaves color are green. Okay nursery class, I hope you like the leaves nursery class. Now move to the next part, flowers. Oh my god, you know your teacher loves the flower nursery class. Okay, let's discuss one by one. G nursery class, it's a pink rose. You have seen the red rose in the nursery class? G. This is a red rose, but this is a pink rose. Okay. So why don't we write the name of the pink rose nursery class? P I N K, pink. And what is the spelling of rose nursery class? R O S E, rose. Okay. G nursery class. What is this? What is the name of this flower? This is jasmine. Okay. What is this? This is jasmine. And what is the color of the jasmine nursery class? White. You know, this is the season of the jasmine. I love the smell of this flower nursery class. So why don't we write the spelling of the jasmine? J. Can you see nursery class? A S M. Always make the baby line of M nursery class. M I N E, jasmine. Can you see the baby line of M and N nursery class? Look at closely, okay? I always want the baby line of M and N, okay? This is a pink rose and this is a jasmine. Now move to the next flower nursery class. What is the name of this flower nursery? G. This is marigold. What is the name of this flower? This is marigold. And what is the color of the nursery class? Marigold, yellow. It is of the gold color. Mama wear the gold earrings or a jewelry nursery class? G. It is of the same color. Mix of yellow and gold. Okay. So its name is marigold. Write down the spelling of marigold nursery. M, capital M A R I, Mary, gold, capital G O L D, gold. Can you see clearly nursery class? Marigold. So nursery class, they give us a one flower for us and they say us to do the color by ourselves nursery class. Okay, we will do color according to our red rose nursery class. Okay, like this. Okay nursery class, you will do the red color in its petal. This is the petal of the flower nursery class. Which color you will do in the petals? Red. Then which color you will do in the leaves nursery? Green. Which color you will do in the leaves nursery class? Green. And this is the stem of the flower. And which color you will do in the nursery class? Stem? G, brown or green, whatever you want to do. You see nursery class? Okay. Now move to the next nursery class, next page. G nursery class. Now we are on page number 2424. Now they are saying collect these nursery class. I know these flowers are difficult to collect nursery. So which thing you can easily collect, you collect. Okay, you collect these leaves nursery. It's easy to collect. You can collect the pink rose or red rose nursery. You can collect the jasmine nursery. Okay. I think the stones is very easy to collect nursery. This is the petal of the rose which is very easy to collect. And this is the beans nursery. I think it is in everyone home. If not, then don't panic yourself. And let's discuss one by one. Okay, which thing which is easy to collect for you, collect it. Okay, and make a video and show me. Okay, or send me a picture. So as usual, we will make a video and we will share with each other. Okay. Nursery class, what is these? These are beans. What is this? These are beans. Write down B E A N S. Beans. Okay, nursery class. Now move to the next flower. What is the name of this flower nursery? G nursery class. What is the name of this flower? This is primrose. This is also another kind of a rose. So its name is prim. P R I M, prim rose. R O S E rose. Primrose. You can make a small baby line over here. Okay. Primrose. Now nursery class, move to the next flower. What is the name of the flower? This is tulip. What is this? This is tulip. 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 This is tulip. Okay, nursery class. Now move to the next flower. G nursery class. What is the name of this flower, nursery class? This is cosmos. What is the name of this flower? Cosmos. C-O-S-M. Oops, teacher forget to make the baby line. M-O-S. Cosmos. Oops, what happened? Teacher forget the petals. Oh my God. So what is this, nursery class? These are petals. What is this? These are petals. So write down here petals. P-E-T-A-L. Petal. Okay, nursery class. Now move to the next. What is this? These are the leftover branches of the trees, nursery class. And you know what we called it? We say twigs. What are these? These are twigs. What are these? These are twigs. So write down here T W I G, twig. Now nursery class, move to the next thing. These are the stone. If you have aquarium, nursery class, if you in your home, you can easily find out or can see. These are stones. Okay, nursery class, write down over here stone, small stone. It is mostly used in decoration. Okay, S-T-O-N-E-S, stones. Our last leaf, nursery class, left. You can see the spaces over here, nursery class. See the Allah's creation, nursery class. How beautiful Allah creates each and everything. So what is the name of this leaf? Nursery class, this is Monstera. What is the name of this leaf? Monstera. M-O-N-S-T-E-R-A. Monstera. Okay, can you see the spelling, nursery class? Okay, we have done this. Okay, I have told you the things which are easy for you. You can collect and send me a picture, nursery class. Now what they are demanding from us, they are saying make print or press. Make pattern. Yes, I also have decided to make a pattern for you of a flower. Are you ready to do the activity with the teacher, nursery class? Let's come and do the activity, nursery class. For the activity, nursery class, you need paint colors, nursery class. Okay. I select 3. If you have 1, it's enough, nursery class. And the second thing which you need, nursery class, it's a thread. Okay. If you have a thick thread, nursery class, the flower will be of a thick shape. And if you have a thin thread, the flower will be of a thin shape. Okay, nursery class, let's arrange the paper and start our activity. G nursery class. See, I have taken a computer sheet, nursery class, like this, A4 size or any drawing page you have. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to turn this page like this. Okay. And press your finger over here. Okay. Now it will come out of this shape. Okay, nursery class. Now I have told you that you have to take a thread and a color of your choice. Okay, nursery class, this is a thread and this is a color. What you have to do, nursery class, you have to dip a thread in the color box. Okay, nursery class, dip it so it can take a bath in the paint box. Okay, nursery. This is a hot day in a nursery, so I think why don't we use paint color. Okay, nursery class, please keep safe your paint home. because we can do lots of activity with the help of a paint. You can see, nursery class, if our okay, nursery class, my thread is dipped in the paint, nursery class. Now take out the dipped thread from the color box. Okay, take it like this. Okay, you can see the paint is all over the thread. Now what we have to do, take the page and put the thread in a zigzag shape like this. Okay, nursery. Okay, and take out this thread out of the page like this. Okay, now press it over here, nursery class, and make a heavy thing on the upper side of the page. Okay, so it cannot move. Now press, put one hand on the page, and from the other hand, nursery class, take out the thread. Okay, like this. Oops. The upper hand should be, nursery class, hold tightly. Okay, okay. Now take out the heavy thing from the page and open your page. See how lovely flower it comes out, nursery class. Clap for your teacher, nursery. So we make a pattern of the flower. Okay, nursery class. Now I think we need a leaf, nursery class. Leaf is of leaf is on of the green color, nursery class. I'm using the green leaf, nursery class, which I have told you that I collect from my garden leaf, and then I take a green color, nursery class. You can use brush. I'm using my finger, nursery class, because I think it's very easy for me to use the finger. Put the paint, nursery class, on your leaf. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do a leaf painting. This is called leaf painting. See, nursery, I have pressed this flower leaf over here. See, now you can put a more paint, nursery class, with the help of your finger. If you don't have the, nursery class, green color paint now, don't get worried. You can make the leaf out of your pencil color. Okay, don't get worried. Teacher Faiza have told you that there is no need to get panic of everything. Use the thing which is easily available in your home. Again, put the green color. Okay, and again make the leaf painting. Just we need to press over here, nursery class. Okay. It's a very refreshing activity, nursery class. Oops. See, I have put a much paint, and that is why. Don't paste a much paint. Don't get overexcited with like teacher Faiza. Okay. Use less paint so our leaf shape come out clearly. This is, see, this is of the large amount of a paint, and this is of the less amount of the paint. These are beautiful leaf than this. And see, now see our flower. Oh my god, nursery class, you can use any color of your like for the flower. Okay, so our activity comes end. Now move to our nursery class Allah name. Ji, nursery class, move to the last part of the work today, nursery class. These are two more name, nursery class. Last time we have done Al-Rahman, Al-Rahim with its meaning. Now today we will do, see my paint. So we will do the next two names, nursery class. It's Al-Maliku. Al-Maliku. What is the meaning of the Al-Maliku? हकीकी बादशाह, यानी कि अल्लाह ताला हम सब का हकीकी बादशाह है. ठीक है, द किंग. अल्लाह ताला चाहे तो जो मर्ज़ी हमसे करवा सकता है और कर सकता है. इसलिए अल्लाह ताला का क्या नाम है? अल मालिकू. Now move to the next name, nursery class, which is Al Qaddusu. Al Qaddusu. What is the meaning of the Al Qaddusu? Pak Zaat. Pak Zaat. The pure. अल्लाह की ज़ात जो है वो सबसे पाकज़ाद है, प्योर है, इसमें सारी जिसमें खूबियाँ पाई जाएं वो कौन सी ज़ात है, वो हमारे अल्लाह ताला की ज़ात है। सो नर्सरी क्लास, इस वीक आपके ये दो नाम हैं, अल मालिकू और अल कद्दूसू. In the whole week you have to do the tasbih of these two names 100 times daily. Okay, and again you will send me the video of your beautiful video. Nursery class, I love it, really. I don't have the word to explain that how much I fall in love with these videos, nursery class. Okay, and today I am sending you another video of Abdul Bari nursery class, in which he is showing the respecting of parent. Okay, if the parents allow you to do something, you can do, but if the parents forbid you that don't do it, okay, then don't do it. In every case we have to respect our parents, because Allah has created for us parents for us to respect them. Okay, so what is your home activity is that you have to show me that how you do respect your parents, especially your mama. How you will do how do you help your mama, because you know mama is doing much effort for you. She is I think putting lot of efforts for you for the activities, for studying, and these are Ramzan. She's making aftari and sehri for us nursery. Okay, so I want to see that how you help your mama, whether you help your mama in cooking or whether you help your mama in settling the table, for putting plates, for aftari. Okay, so just show me that how do you help your mama. Okay, nursery class. So nursery class, this is the end of our class, nursery class. Take lots of good care of yourself and try to be in home, nursery class. Okay, I'm doing this activity so you can enjoy your time in home, nursery class. Nursery, I simply love this activity. Okay, so take lots of good care of yourself, for your grandparents, for your mama and baba. Love you. Take care. Allah Hafiz, nursery.